Hello guys, today I will show you how to change the default search engine on Microsoft Edge. Okay, let's open Microsoft Edge. Then let's try to search something. Erwin. Then by default, the Microsoft Bing is the default search engine of Microsoft Edge. So let's try to change it to Google. Okay, follow me. Click the three dot on the right upper right corner of your browser. Then settings. Then privacy search and services, then scroll down to services, then in the lower part address bar and search, click this, then change it to Bing to Google. Okay, then close it. Okay, now let's try to search again. Erwin Guapo. Boom, we are now using the Google search engine. Very simple. Thank you very much.